I think I have a crush on someone.
Really? Who is it?
It's someone from our class.
Wow. Is it someone I know?
Yes, it's Chris. I can't stop thinking about them.
That's so cute. Have you talked to them yet?
Not much. I get too nervous.
Don't worry. Just be yourself.
You're right. Maybe I'll start with a simple hello.
Exactly. Take it one step at a time.
I'm thinking of writing a love letter.
That's such a romantic idea.
But what if they laugh at me?
If they really care, they won't laugh.
I don't even know what to write.
Start by being honest about how you feel.
Should I make it funny or serious?
A mix of both might work.
Thanks for the advice. I'll give it a try.
Good luck. I'm sure it'll be great.
I think I'm ready to tell them how I feel.
That's a big step. Are you nervous?
Very nervous. What if they don't feel the same?
At least you'll know where you stand.
But I don't want to ruin our friendship.
True love won't ruin anything. Go for it.
How should I say it?
Just be honest and kind.
Thanks. I hope it goes well.
It will. I believe in you.
I just got back from my date with Taylor.
How did it go?
It was amazing. We talked for hours.
That's a great sign.
They were so funny and kind.
Sounds like you really like them.
I think I do, but I don't want to rush things.
Taking it slow is smart.
Thanks for always listening to me.
What are friends for?
I don't think Alex feels the same way.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I thought there was something between us.
It's their loss. You're amazing.
It just hurts so much.
I know it does, but you'll get through this.
Thanks for being here for me.
Always. That's what friends are for.
Maybe it's time to focus on myself.
Absolutely. You deserve the best.
I think Emma is the one for me.
That's wonderful. How do you feel around her?
Happy, comfortable, and myself.
That sounds like love to me.
Do you think she feels the same?
Why don't you ask her?
I'm scared of rejection.
You'll never know unless you try.
You're right. I'll talk to her tomorrow.
Good luck. I'm rooting for you.
I think I've found the love of my life.
Oh no, not another one.
What do you mean?
This is the 5th time this year.
This time it's real. I can feel it.
Okay, Romeo. Let's see how long it lasts.
I'm serious. They're perfect.
All right. I'll believe it when I see it.
You'll see. Just wait.
I'm waiting, but I'm skeptical.
I miss them so much.
Long-distance relationships are hard.
We talk every day, but it's not the same.
Have you planned to meet again?
Not yet, but I'm saving up for a trip.
That's a good idea. You'll see them soon.
Do you think long distance can work?
If both people are committed, it can.
Thanks. I'll keep trying.
I'm here if you need to talk.
Can I tell you something but don't laugh?
Of course. What is it?
I think I'm starting to see you differently.
Differently? What do you mean?
Like, not just as a friend.
Really? I've been feeling the same way.
You have? Why didn't you say anything?
I was scared I'd ruin our friendship.
I'm glad you told me. This feels right.
It really does. Let's see where this goes.
Why have you been acting so weird around me lately?
Because I think I like you.
Like me? As more than a friend?
Yes, I didn't mean for it to happen.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that.
I'm sorry if it makes things awkward.
No, it doesn't. I just need a moment to process.
Take your time. I just had to be honest.
Thanks for sharing. Let's talk about this more.
I'd like that. I just want you to know how I feel.
Do you know what my favorite thing about you is?
My amazing sense of humor?
No, it's your smile.
Really? That's so cheesy.
It's true. Your smile brightens my day.
Now I'm blushing. Stop it.
I can't help it. You're adorable.
Okay. Now you're making it hard to stay just friends.
Maybe we don't have to stay just friends.
You might be onto something there.
Do you remember the first time we met?
Of course. You spilled coffee on me.
Yeah, and you were so mad.
Only for a second. You apologized so sweetly.
I didn't think we'd become this close.
Me neither, but I'm so glad we did.
Sometimes I wonder if it was fate.
Maybe it was. I can't imagine life without you now.
Me neither. You're so important to me.
You're important to me too.
You've been quiet today. What's on your mind?
I've been thinking about us.
Us? Is something wrong?
No, it's just. I think I like you more than a friend.
Oh, that's unexpected.
I understand if you don't feel the same.
It's not that. I just never thought about it before.
Take your time. I don't want to pressure you.
You're so thoughtful. Let's talk more about this later.
Sure. I just want you to know how I feel.
You're always there for me, no matter what.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
It's more than that. You're so special to me.
You're special to me too.
I don't know what I'd do without you.
You'll never have to find out. I'm not going anywhere.
Sometimes I wonder if we're meant to be more than friends.
I've wondered that too.
Maybe we should explore it.
I'd like that. Let's take it one step at a time.
You're spending an awful lot of time with me lately.
Maybe I like your company.
Maybe? That's not very convincing.
Okay, I really like your company. Happy?
Very happy? Are you sure it's just my company?
Are you fishing for compliments?
Maybe. Do you think I'm cute?
I think you're more than cute.
Good, because I think you're adorable.
You're making this hard to stay friends, you know.
Do you ever think about the future?
All the time. Why do you ask?
I wonder if we'll still be close in 10 years.
I hope so. You're too important to lose.
Do you think we'll still be just friends?
I'm not sure. Maybe we'll be something more.
I think I'd like that.
Really? That makes me happy to hear.
Me too. Let's see where life takes us.
Together, we'll figure it out.
Why are you staring at me?
I wasn't staring, I was just observing.
Observing what exactly?
How beautiful you look today.
Oh, please, you're just trying to make me blush.
Is it working?
Maybe. You're impossible, you know that?
Impossible to resist, maybe.
You're too much. But I kind of like it.
I was hoping you would.
I have a question, but I'm afraid to ask.
You can ask me anything. What is it?
Do you think we'd ever work as more than friends?
I've thought about it, and I think we could.
Really? I didn't know you felt that way.
I wasn't sure how you'd react.
I think I'd like to give us a chance.
That makes me so happy to hear.
Let's take it slow and see where it goes.
That sounds perfect.